Today, we're going to use the power of robots, i.e. ChatGPT, to write amazing marketing emails for your restaurant in less than 5 minutes. It's like having the Terminator sitting right next to you working for no money as a freelance writer for you, but with less murder. How's it going? Dave Allred, the Real Barman here from barpatrol.net and restaurantpatrol.net. I am very excited to share this with you today because having been in the restaurant industry for about 37 years now, I know that restaurant owners in general are not usually on the cutting edge of technology, especially with something like AI. All right, if that's not you and you're an AI whiz, I apologize. Okay, for the rest of you, let's jump into this tutorial. If you go to the description or right up here, you can get my free guide for using ChatGPT and all the prompts that I'm going to talk about in this tutorial. Okay, all you have to do is copy paste those prompts into ChatGPT and presto changeo, abracadabra, ChatGPT will just write the email for you. Okay, which I'm going to show you right now. Okay, just so you know, I'm not going to cover all the benefits and strategies of email and text marketing in this video. If you want to learn about that first, you can go watch my last video again right up here. Then come back here and learn how to leverage your email marketing with this amazing futuristic tool. Okay, and if you like what you see, hit the like button so I know what type of content to make for you. Okay, I'm like a dog who will do tricks for you if you give me a treat. All right, let's jump on my computer here. And I need to put my glasses on so I can see what the hell I'm doing. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do is go to chatgpt.com. Let me know if I'm going too fast for you. All right, now the first prompt that we're going to give it every time is we're gonna let ChatGPT know who you want them to be and the tone that you want them to use. So for instance, we're gonna say, and I'm just gonna copy paste this so you don't have to painfully watch me write it out. Okay, so there you go. Pretend you are a restaurant owner who writes outstanding marketing emails to their email subscribers. Make the tone of voice casual and friendly. You are looking to make a connection with the email subscribers. Okay, so you can tell them exactly what you want the tone to be, exactly who to be, so they know how to write it. Okay, and then I'm not gonna hit enter yet because I don't want it to answer me just yet. So I'm gonna hold my finger on the shift key and hold enter there, and now it just moves the cursor down. Okay, so now ChatGPT has a foundation, has an identity and a tone with which to write with. That's awkward. All right, now you can just have this prompt. You have this prompt somewhere that you can just copy paste, so you don't have to write it out every time. It's actually in the free ChatGPT guide that I have, so you can get it from there if you want. Now, if we look at all the content categories we can choose from when sending out marketing emails to your VIP club members, let's choose a couple of them to demonstrate how powerful this is. For the first one, let's choose a special deal or offer for our VIP club members. Let's say that we have a special offer for them and it's for buy one, get one free margaritas. So the basic prompt we would enter would be something like this. Okay, I'm gonna copy paste again. Write an email to our loyalty program members announcing a special offer just for them, and then in parentheses, members of our VIP club. The offer is buy one, get one free margaritas. The offer is for Tuesday, July 23rd. And add some humor to the email and make it fun. That's the prompt, that's the whole thing. Now, National Margarita Day is actually February 22nd, and the only reason I know that is because my birthday is February 23rd. So you could send this out then as well. That's another category, which is national days, which you should really use. But for this one, we're just gonna send it out to our VIP members. Okay, so I'm gonna hit enter and see what we've got. All right, starting to write now. Subject, special VIP alert, BOGO margaritas, buy one, get one free on July 23rd. Hey there, fabulous VIP club members. We hope you're having an amazing summer filled with sunshine, good vibes, and lots of delicious food. To make your summer even better, we've got an exclusive offer that's sure to make you smile and maybe do a little happy dance. Mark your calendars for July 23rd because it's going to be a fiesta you don't want to miss. Drum roll, please. BOGO margaritas. That's right, folks, for one day only. When you buy one of our famous margaritas, lip-smacking margaritas, you get another one absolutely free. It's our way of saying thank you for being the best VIP club. I mean, this is great. Okay, I'll kind of go down here. So gather friends, bring your thirst. Let's toast some good times. quick recap with all these little emojis in here. Thank you for being a part of our amazing community. We can't wait to see you on the 23rd for some margarita magic. Cheers to you and margaritas galore. Warmest regards. And it has a PS down here. Don't forget to bring your VIP card. It's your golden ticket. Now, you probably won't have a VIP card, but you can adjust this any way you want. Now, I don't know about you, but I think that's pretty fantastic. And you're welcome to copy paste that email into your series, and you can alter any of the details if you want. But that email is probably like 95% good to go, if not 100%. We literally wrote that email in like 90 seconds. All right, let's try one more. Let's do a meet the staff email. Okay, so once again, you enter your main prompt. You enter it here. I'm just going to copy paste. Then you will choose a staff member to focus on. All right, and for this, I would highly suggest that you have like a pre-made template sheet that you hand out to your staff, and they can fill it out so they can write these out easily, like a hobby email, like a hobby template, right? Simply ask them what their hobbies and interests are and anything else that they would like you to know about them. Okay, you can ask what their favorite dish is, what their favorite cocktail on the menu is, how long they've been working there, do they have a boyfriend, girlfriend, just some basic information on a basic form that's going to help you, that they can turn into you, that you can write these emails with. And if you get a sheet from every one of your employees, you can literally write an awesome email about each of them and add them to your series and send them to your tribe. All right, so then we can write a prompt like this. All right, there we go. Write an email to our loyalty program members, introducing them to one of our staff members. His name is Johnny. He's our head bartender. He loves the band Weezer, going to the movies with his girlfriend Barbara, and watching the Yankees. His favorite signature cocktail is the Smokescreen Manhattan, which you can see here. We will include the photo. List the ingredients for the cocktail, which is 10-year Laphroaig Scotch, Carpano Antica, and a dash of Angostura bitters. It is stirred and then strained into a frosty cocktail glass. Invite them to come in and meet Johnny and try the cocktail. All right, now let's see what we've got. And I know this might seem like you wrote a lot, but you don't have to think about the quality of the writing. You're just entering facts that you're given. Okay, and that's it. All right, here we go. It's writing. Okay, and I'll kind of fly through this. I won't try to read the whole thing because I don't want to insult your intelligence. But it's really cool how quickly it writes it. Meet Johnny, the maestro behind the bar. Hey, VIPs, hope you're doing great. And it goes through here about, ladies and gentlemen, meet our Johnny, our head bartender. His heart and soul of the bar. When he's not crafting the perfect drink, you'll find him rocking out to Weezer, catching the latest flick with his girlfriend Barbara, or cheering on the Yankees. He's got a knack for creating cocktails that are unforgettable as a Weezer tune. They kind of weave it all in there. It's very nice. One of Johnny's signature drinks is the Smokescreen Manhattan, and trust us, you do not want to miss it. And then they give the ingredients, and then they tell that it's strained into a frosty cocktail glass, just like we said. And we'd love for you to come in and meet Johnny, try his Smokescreen Manhattan, and maybe even chat about your favorite Weezer songs or last night's Yankees game. So on and so forth. And then they have another PS. I do love the PSs. Don't forget to ask Johnny about his favorite Weezer album. He's got some strong opinions. Again, another great email. I mean, how less intimidating is it now to use email marketing in your business? Okay, it's a robot writing your marketing emails for you. Okay, you just prompt it. Okay, again, you can get my email prompts to 25 different email categories, and I give you 2 prompts per category. All right, so you're getting like 50 prompts that you can just copy paste into your emails or copy paste into ChatGPT. All right, and then the other thing I didn't include in each email, you want to make sure that you do is add a link in every email that you send out that has your online ordering and booking a reservation. Okay, this is your call to action, and it's so important. It needs to be included in every single email that you do. That alone is going to up your sales by a large margin. All right. The last thing that we're going to cover today is writing great subject lines for your emails. All right, for when you send them out. Crafting great subject lines is paramount to having a successful email campaign. All right, because if they don't open your emails, all this great magical content we're writing doesn't even matter because they're never going to see it. All right. This is also mega super duper easy to do as well. You go back to your best friend, Mr. Chat GPT, and you give it a prompt that says something like, Provide me with 10 dynamic subject lines for an email to restaurant email subscribers for an email about a new signature cocktail just released. We hit enter, and it's going to create these headlines that you can use, and you can make them any way you want. All right, you can tweak these. You can use an exact one. Introducing our new signature cocktail, sip, sip, hooray. They have all these different ones in here. If you don't like what they gave you, you can just be like, please give me 10 more. And since ChatGPT knows you, it has a memory of your history, so it knows everything you wrote before. You don't have to go over and start all over again. You just say, give me 10 more, and it's going to give you 10 more. And then you can use it. You can keep going on and on as long as you want, and you can use any of these that you want. Again, I ask, how cool is that? All right, if I only had this in high school, I could have studied and done homework even less than I already did. So I hope this helped you out today. Visit us at restaurantpatrol.net. And again, go grab the ChatGPT prompt cheat sheet. It's a great guide to help you get started on your email series. Okay, here's another great marketing video for you. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I am going to see you next time. I'm out.